Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jayana. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified every time I make a post. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so today I'm doing, I let my best friend basically choose my makeup today. The colors that they chose were purple, blue, and white, which luckily for us, I have a plethora of all of those colors. So that should be very easy. So I think I'm gonna do a blue base, but like a pretty, I want a blue that stands out. Or should I do a purple base? Yeah, I'm gonna do a purple base. Okay. Kinds purples. I'm gonna go in with this like lilac-y purple and this like magenta-ish purple. So I'm gonna apply the lilac-y purple first on the crease, outer crease of my eye. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the like the magenta-y one, and I'm gonna pop that on the inner crease of my eye. These colors are in my my NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette. Then I'm gonna go in with my white. I'm gonna use my point brush and I'm going to put it like the inside of my eye. Then I'm gonna go in with, trying to figure out what blue I want to use. That's pretty, yeah. Okay, so that's what we're gonna use. I'm gonna go in with my NK Makeup Birthday Cake little palette thingy, and I'm gonna use this blue right here. Also gonna use my point brush for that, which looks like this. Gonna go with my I'm gonna go with my Revolution Precious Stone Emerald palette, and I'm gonna go in with the color Astral just to make this white pop more because it's not popping enough to my liking. Yeah. guys, that was the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it and want to see more from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post. Love you. Bye.